Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. DM Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Raurane Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, today we are deal with the concept chemistry of carbonyl compound part 3rd. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the reactions of carbonyl compound. Friends, in last two lectures of carbonyl compound, we have studied the introductory part of carbonyl compound, IUPAC nomenclature of carbonyl compound, general structure and reactivity of carbonyl compound, as well as various synthetic methods of carbonyl compound. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the various reactions of carbonyl compound. Friends, before starting the reactions of carbonyl compound, it is very important to understand the general structure and reactivity of carbonyl compound. See, these are the structure of carbonyl compound R C double bond O R. This R group may be alkyl group, cycloalkyl group, aryl group or hydrogen. Okay, and see the structure, basic structure of this carbonyl compound C double bond O. It shows strong inductive effect due to difference of electronegativity. Oxygen is more electronegative and carbon is less electronegative than this oxygen. Due to difference of this electronegativity, there is a partial polarization. Means oxygen more electronegative, it gains partial negative charge, and this carbon it gains partial positive charge. So hybridization of this carbon is a sp2 hybridization and bond angle is 120 degree. Means there is a trigonal planar structure, and this carbonyl carbon means this carbonyl functional group, it shows more reactivity due to partial positive charge of this carbonyl carbon. It easily reacts with any nucleophile. See the mechanism of this nucleophilic addition reaction. See the simple, oxygen more electronegative, it gains partial negative charge, carbon it gains partial positive charge. Nucleophile means electron rich species, and this electron rich species is easily attacked to this carbonyl carbon. At the same time, the bond between this carbon and hydrogen, pi bond between this carbon and hydrogen, it becomes it breaks, and this pi electron is shifted towards the oxygen. Means oxygen it gains negative charge. Means simply there is a bond formation between this carbonyl carbon and incoming nucleophile. Is a bond between this carbon and nucleophile, and this oxygen it gains negative charge. And this O minus abstract proton means protonation of this oxo ion, it gives finally OH group. It is a simple nucleophilic addition reaction. The carbonyl compound it gives nucleophilic addition reaction due to this carbonyl carbon, nature of this carbonyl carbon, and this carbonyl carbon it gains partial positive charge, the positive charge due to this adjacent more electronegative oxygen. These are the general reactivity of this carbonyl compound. See the reactions of carbonyl compound, it gives variety of reactions. Number first, reaction with Grignard's reagent, carbonyl compound in presence of Grignard's reagent, it gives alcohol. Then reactions with alcohol, carbonyl compound in presence of alcohol, it gives acetal and kettle. Reaction with amine, it gives imine as well as enamine. Reaction with phenylhydrazine and 2,4-DNP, 2,4-DNP is a 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, it gives hydrazone derivative. And reduction with strong reducing agent, lithium aluminium hydride and sodium borohydride. And the last one is a reaction with hydrogen cyanide. It is a simple nucleophilic addition reaction. Let's see one by one. Number first reaction, reaction with Grignard's reagent. See basically the structure of this Grignard's reagent is RMgX. R is maybe alkyl group, aryl group or cycloalkyl group. Magnesium is electropositive metal and X is a halogen, either chlorine, bromine or iodine. Okay, see the R group is directly bonded to this electropositive metal magnesium. The polarization of this Grignard's reagent, this R group it gains partial negative charge, magnesium metal partial positive charge, and this halogen also partial negative charge. Means this R group partial negative charge in presence of this carbonyl group or any other reactant molecule. This R group it shows nucleophilic character. That's why the Grignard's reagent is called as nucleophilic reagent. See the aldehyde, see the reaction of this carbonyl compound and Grignard's reagent. Aldehyde reacts with Grignard's reagent to give addition product which on hydrolysis give primary or secondary alcohol, and ketone undergoes same reaction gives tertiary alcohol. See, the reaction is a simple aldehyde molecule, formaldehyde molecule in presence of this Grignard's reagent CS3Mgi. This methyl group with electron pair attack to carbonyl carbon, which gains partial positive charge. At the same time, shifting of pi electron takes place towards the oxygen. Oxygen it gains negative charge. At the same time, the bond formation between carbonyl carbon and methyl group. Okay, and this O minus is stabilized by Mg plus, means it gives one magnesium salt, means it gives one ionic salt. Hydrolysis of this salt it gives finally ethyl alcohol, means aldehyde molecule it gives primary alcohol molecule. Number second example, same acetaldehyde molecule in presence of Grignard's reagent CS3Mgi, same methyl group with electron pair attack to carbonyl carbon, same shifting of pi electron towards the oxygen. Oxygen it gains negative charge, is stabilized by Mg plus, means again it gives one salt. Hydrolysis of this salt it gives finally isopropyl alcohol is a secondary alcohol. And the number third example is a ketone molecule, acetone molecule CS3C double bond O CS3 in presence of same Grignard's reagent CS3Mgi. Same methyl group attack to this carbonyl carbon, then shifting of pi electron towards the oxygen. Oxygen means oxygen it gains negative charge, is stabilized by Mg plus. Same this salt, hydrolysis of this salt it gives tertiary alcohol, means the reaction of Grignard's reagent with carbonyl compound, means aldehyde and ketone. Reaction with aldehyde it gives primary alcohol and secondary alcohol, and reaction with ketone it gives tertiary alcohol. And these are the best example. Formaldehyde it gives primary alcohol ethyl alcohol. Acetaldehyde it gives secondary alcohol is isopropyl alcohol. And the last ketone molecule means acetone molecule it gives tertiary butyl alcohol, means tertiary alcohol. Okay, then these are the examples. See, number first example, same aldehyde molecule in presence of this Grignard's reagent, then finally acid hydrolysis it gives secondary alcohol. Same ketone molecule in presence of this Grignard's reagent it gives tertiary alcohol. Same aldehyde molecule, benzaldehyde molecule in presence of this CS3Br Mg ether, means there is a formation of Grignard's reagent, and this Grignard's reagent reacts with this aldehyde molecule, again it gives secondary alcohol. Then next one is a bromobenzene in presence of Mg magnesium and ether solvent. Same there is a formation of Grignard's reagent, and this Grignard's reagent it reacts with this ketone molecule, acetone molecule, again it gives tertiary alcohol. The same Grignard's reagent in presence of this ketone, same it gives tertiary alcohol. These are the best examples of reactions of Grignard's reagent with carbonyl compound, either aldehyde or ketone. Next one, second reaction of carbonyl compound is a reaction with alcohol molecule. When one equivalent of alcohol adds to aldehyde or ketone to gives hemiacetal or hemiketal, but second equivalent of alcohol reacts with this hemiacetal or hemiketal, it gives finally acetal or ketal derivative. See, the general reaction, this reaction is also called as protection of carbonyl compound. See, the general reaction, aldehyde or ketone molecule is treated with alcohol in presence of acid catalyst. When one equivalent of this alcohol reacts with the carbonyl compound, it gives hemiacetal or hemiketal. Same second equivalent of this alcohol reacts with this hemiacetal or hemiketal, it gives finally acetal or ketal derivative. These are the second reaction. The mechanism of this reaction, simple. Carbonyl compound in presence of alcohol and acid catalyst. Number first step, in presence of this acid catalyst, the protonation of oxygen takes place. Electron pair of this oxygen attack to this H plus, means protonation of oxygen takes place. At the same time, the reactivity of carbonyl carbon it becomes more reactive. And number second step, this alcohol molecule, in case of this alcohol CS3OH, oxygen with 2 electron pair, out of this 2 electron pair, 1 electron pair is attacked to this carbonyl carbon. At the same time, pi electrons are shifted towards the oxygen, means there is a neutralization of positive charge of this oxygen as well as the bond formation between this carbonyl carbon and alcohol, oxygen of this alcohol. Then next step, is a deprotonation. Removal of this hydrogen means removal of the H plus ion. After removal of this H plus ion, the neutralization of this positive charge. The next step is the electron pair of this oxygen is a participate in delocalization, then elimination of OH group in the form of OH minus. It gives finally hemiacetal or hemiketal, and this hemiacetal or hemiketal reacts with second mole of this alcohol molecule. It gives finally acetal or ketal. These are the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, then third reaction is a reaction with amines. When aldehyde and ketone reacts with primary amine and other ammonia derivatives, it gives imine derivative, means imine product. And when aldehyde or ketone reacts with secondary amine, it gives enamine derivative. So imine obtained by reaction of carbonyl compound with different derivatives. See, these are the different derivatives. Primary amine means carbonyl compound in presence of primary amine, it gives skip base. Primary carbonyl compound in presence of hydroxylamine, it gives oxime derivative. Carbonyl compound in presence of hydrazine, it gives hydrazone derivative. Carbonyl compound in presence of phenyl hydrazine, it gives phenyl hydrazone derivatives. Means simple, aldehyde or ketone means carbonyl compound in presence of primary amine and other ammonia derivatives, it gives imine derivatives. And same carbonyl compound reacts with secondary amine, it gives enamine derivative. See, these are the two reactions. Number first reaction, carbonyl compound with primary amine, it gives imine, is a simple condensation reaction. Same carbonyl compound means acetophenone molecule in presence of secondary amine, it gives enamine derivative. Next one is a simple mechanism of this reaction, is a condensation reaction. See, the carbonyl compound R C double bond O R dash, polarization of this carbonyl group C double bond O. Oxygen is more electronegative, it gains partial negative charge. Carbon, it gains partial positive charge. In case of this amine RNH2, there is no R2 molecule, means RNH2 nitrogen with electron pair. The electron pair of this nitrogen attack to carbonyl carbon. At the same time, delocalization of pi electron takes place towards the oxygen, means oxygen it gains negative charge, and loss of electron pair nitrogen it gains positive charge. Then next step is a loss of H plus from this nitrogen, and this same H plus is added to this O minus, means O minus is converted into OH, and after loss of this H plus, electron sigma electron pair shifted towards the nitrogen, means there is a neutralization of this positive charge. It gives finally tetrahedral intermediate. Then next step is the electron pair of this nitrogen, means protonation of this OH group is takes place. After protonation, the electron pair of this nitrogen participate in delocalization. At the same time, the elimination of this OH group in the form of OH minus. OH minus reacts with H plus, means elimination of water molecule, loss of electron pair, nitrogen it gains positive charge, and there is a double bond formation between this carbon and nitrogen. Then number last step is a loss of H plus. After loss of this H plus ion, proton loss, it gives finally imine derivative, means carbonyl compound in presence of primary amine, it gives imine derivative by condensation, simple elimination of water molecule. Same carbonyl compound in presence of secondary amine, the reaction of an aldehyde or ketone with secondary amine to produces enamine derivative. See, these are the cyclohexanone, means carbonyl compound, ketone molecule in presence of this secondary amine. Same mechanism, carbonyl carbon partial positive charge, oxygen more electronegative, it gains partial negative charge. Electron pair of this nitrogen attack to carbonyl carbon, which gains partial positive charge. At the same time, the shifting of pi electron towards the oxygen, it gains negative charge, and loss of electron pair nitrogen it gains positive charge. See, the loss of proton, same loss of H plus, and this H plus is added to this O minus, means O minus is converted into OH, and after loss of H plus, nitrogen, means there is a neutralization of positive charge. The sigma electron pair between this nitrogen and hydrogen is shifted towards the more electronegative nitrogen, is nitrogen with electron pair, and the finally O minus is converted into OH. Okay. The next one is a protonation of this OH group, it takes place. After protonation, the electron pair of this nitrogen participate in delocalization. At the same time, the elimination of water molecule takes place, means there is a double bond formation between carbon and nitrogen. Loss of electron pair, nitrogen it gains positive charge. Then last step is a loss of H plus from alpha position, means the sigma electron pair, means sigma electron between this carbon and hydrogen is shifted in pi bond formation. Then this pi electron shifted towards the nitrogen, means neutralization of this positive charge, and after this loss of proton it gives finally enamine derivative, means carbonyl compound in presence of secondary amine it gives finally enamine derivative. These are the number third reaction. Then number fourth reaction is a reaction with the phenyl hydrazine and 2,4-DNP. The phenyl hydrazine 2,4-DNP means 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. The reaction with phenyl hydrazine and 2,4-DNP is a similar to reaction with primary amine, is also condensation reaction. When carbonyl compound reacts with phenyl hydrazine, it gives hydrazone derivative. See, the aldehyde molecule, acetaldehyde molecule in presence of this phenyl hydrazine derivative moiety, in presence of acid catalyst it gives phenyl hydrazone derivative. Same ketone molecule in presence of this phenyl hydrazine, in presence of acid catalyst, same it gives phenyl hydrazone derivative. And last ketone molecule in presence of 2,4-DNP is a 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine, in presence of this acid catalyst, again it gives the hydrazone derivative. Means carbonyl compound in presence of either phenyl hydrazine or 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine, it gives hydrazone derivative. It is also condensation reaction. See the mechanism of this reaction. The simple carbonyl compound CH3 C double bond O CH3 or general carbonyl compound in presence of acid catalyst. Number first step is a protonation of oxygen takes place. Oxygen with a 2 electron pair. Out of this 2 electron pair, one pair is attached to this H plus, means there is a bond formation between oxygen and this proton, means protonation of oxygen takes place. Means after protonation, this carbonyl carbon it becomes more reactive. Means after that, the electron pair of this nitrogen NH2 is attached to this carbonyl carbon. At the same time, the shifting of pi electron takes place towards the oxygen. Then neutralization of positive charge takes place. At the same time, the bond formation between this carbon and nitrogen. After bond formation, loss of electron pair, nitrogen it gains positive charge, and shifting of pi electron towards the oxygen, means there is no charge on this oxygen, there is a neutralization of the positive charge. Next step is a loss of H plus from this NH2, same neutralization of positive charge. After that, the electron pair of this same nitrogen participate in delocalization, then elimination of this water molecule, it gives the double bond formation between this nitrogen and carbon. Okay, and last step is the same deprotonation, means loss of this hydrogen, it gives finally hydrazone derivative. The mechanism is similar to the reaction with primary amine. Is NH2 is similar to this primary amine, and this NH2 reacts with this carbonyl compound. There is a simple loss of water molecule, and it gives finally hydrazone derivative. These are the number fourth reaction. Number fifth reaction is a reduction with strong reducing agent. Number first reducing agent, the lithium aluminum hydride, and next is the sodium borohydride. Okay, the basic difference between these two reagents, lithium aluminum hydride is a versatile reducing agent. It reduces all types of functional group, but sodium borohydride is a chemoselective reducing agent. It specifically reduces only carbonyl group, means only aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone in the presence of sodium borohydride, it converted into alcohol, corresponding alcohol. Same aldehyde and ketone in presence of this lithium aluminum hydride, also it gives finally corresponding alcohol. See the basically structure of these two reagent, lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. The structure of this lithium aluminum hydride, aluminum with this 4 hydrogen. Basically aluminum is a trivalent. After addition of this 4th hydrogen, gain of electron, this aluminum it gains negative charge, is stabilized by Li plus, and the overall structure is Li plus and aluminum with a negative charge. Same Boron is also trivalent. After addition of this one H minus means there is a gain of electron. This boron, it gains negative charge, is stabilized by Na plus. Okay, and these two reagents, both reagents, lithium aluminum hydride as well as sodium borohydride, it gives hydride transfer mechanism. Okay, see the general reaction of carbonyl compound with these two reagent. Reducing agent is a lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. Formaldehyde molecule in presence of the strong reducing agent, it gives primary alcohol. Then acetaldehyde molecule or aldehyde molecule, R dash, is maybe CH3 group or any other group, it gives secondary alcohol. And ketone molecule in presence of the strong reducing agent, it gives tertiary alcohol. Okay, see the mechanism of this reaction. The simple lithium aluminum hydride as well as sodium borohydride, it gives hydride transfer mechanism. See the mechanism of this reaction. Simple R C double bond O R dash, these are the carbonyl group, and basic structure of this lithium aluminum hydride, lithium with a plus charge and aluminum with a negative charge. Okay, one H minus transfer means this hydrogen with electron pair is attacked to this carbonyl carbon, which gains partial positive charge. At the same time, shifting of pi electron towards the oxygen as takes place, means oxygen, it gains negative charge. At the same time, the bond formation between this carbonyl carbon and hydrogen means hydride ion. Okay, and this O minus is stabilized by Li plus. Next step, after loss of one H minus, this aluminum with only 3 hydrogen means there is a trivalent aluminum, and the trivalent aluminum, it shows Lewis acid character. What is mean by Lewis acid? Electron pair acceptor is called as Lewis acid. The negative charge of this oxygen easily attack to this aluminum means it shows Lewis acid character, and it shows a nucleophilic character. This O minus attack to this aluminum means there is a bond formation between this oxygen and aluminum. Okay, and last step, the bond between means the electron pair, sigma electron pair between this oxygen and aluminum is abstract H plus, means there is a simple hydrolysis of this salt, it gives finally alcohol. Okay, and the main advantage of this reaction, 1 mole of lithium aluminum hydride, it reduces 4 moles of this carbonyl compound, means 4 moles of carbonyl compound in presence of only 1 mole of this lithium aluminum hydride, it gives finally 4 mole of the alcohol molecule. Okay, see these are the examples. Number first, this aldehyde molecule, these are the ester molecule. The lithium aluminum hydride is a versatile reducing agent, it reduces all types of functional group. The aldehyde molecule is converted into its corresponding alcohol, and this ester molecule in presence of this lithium aluminum hydride also it converted into number first aldehyde molecule, and further reduction of this aldehyde molecule in presence of this lithium aluminum hydride, again it converted into this alcohol molecule. See the number second example, cyclohexanone is a carbonyl compound in presence of this lithium aluminum hydride. Same reduction of this carbonyl group takes place and is converted into secondary alcohol. Okay, number second reagent is a sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride is a chemoselective reagent, it reduces only aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone in presence of sodium borohydride, it gives its corresponding alcohol. See the basic structure of the sodium borohydride, again boron, it gains negative charge, is stabilized by Na plus. See the structure of this carbonyl compound, the carbonyl carbon, it gains delta negative charge, oxygen more electronegative, it gains delta negative charge, and carbon, it gains delta positive charge. Same, there is a hydride transfer mechanism similar to lithium aluminum hydride. Is a one hydrogen with electron pair, means H minus attack to this carbonyl carbon. At the same time, shifting of pi electron takes place towards the oxygen, means oxygen, it gains negative charge, and there is a bond formation between this carbonyl carbon and hydrogen, means hydride ion. Okay, this O minus is stabilized by Na plus, and finally hydrolysis of this salt, it gives its corresponding alcohol as a simple mechanism, is a carbonyl compound in the presence of sodium borohydride, it gives finally its corresponding alcohol. Similar to lithium aluminum hydride, 1 mole of sodium borohydride it converts 4 moles of carbonyl compound to its corresponding alcohol, means 4 mole of carbonyl compound in presence of only 1 mole of this sodium borohydride, it gives 4 moles of this corresponding alcohol. See, these are the examples. This aldehyde group in presence of sodium borohydride, it gives its corresponding alcohol. Same, there is a second molecule, is a bifunctional molecule. There is one aldehyde group and there is a second ester group, but sodium borohydride is a chemoselective reagent. It reduces only carbonyl functional group, means only aldehyde and ketone. It not reacts with another functional group like ester or acid. Same, only aldehyde group is converted into its corresponding alcohol. There is no reaction between this ester and sodium borohydride. Okay. The next one, the reaction with hydrogen cyanide is the last reaction of carbonyl compound. It's a simple nucleophilic addition reaction. Aldehyde and ketone with hydrogen cyanide gives cyanohydrin derivative. When aldehyde molecule in presence of HCN, it gives cyanohydrin, and the cyanohydrin, hydrolysis of this cyanohydrin, it gives finally carboxylic acid. Same, ethanol, see the simple mechanism. This ethanol molecule, means aldehyde molecule in presence of this HCN, hydrogen cyanide, it gives 2-hydroxy pentane nitrile. Hydrolysis of this CN group, nitrile is converted into its corresponding, its carboxylic acid. See the simple mechanism. Carbonyl group, same, oxygen delta minus charge, carbonyl carbon delta plus charge. Ionization of this hydrogen cyanide HCN, it gives H plus and CN minus. CN minus, it shows strong nucleophilic character, and the CN minus attack to carbonyl carbon, which gains partial positive charge. At the same time, shifting of pi electron takes place towards the oxygen. Oxygen, it gains negative charge, and there is a bond formation between carbonyl carbon and CN group, nitrile group. Okay, and this O minus reacts with H plus, means protonation of this oxo ion takes place, and it gives finally cyanohydrin derivative. And the hydrolysis of this cyanohydrin, means there is a hydrolysis of CN group, nitrile group takes place, and nitrile group is converted into carboxylic acid. These are the last reaction of carbonyl group, reaction with hydrogen cyanide. Thank you very much.